Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add accounts on your accounts on Pinterest, easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click here. Now click settings and here we'll find add account, click on it, and here you can choose if you want to create a personal account or a business account, and that's it. That's how to add accounts on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.